Welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today it is time to sow sweet corn seeds into this net house. We have prepared this net house and make ready for sowing the seed. Before preparing this soil, we have removed that weeds, we have cultivated, and in end we have moved the rotavator with the help of mini tiller. So we have got this till. Now this soil is ready for sowing, and if you are interested how we have prepared this soil, then you can go to the video which I have put couple of days back, how we have prepared this soil into the net house. Now the soil is ready and we are going to sow the sweet corn in it. Now we are going to sow sweet corn seed with the every 4 feet double row method, and we are going to grow it with the drip. So what we'll do, we'll spread the drip first every 4 feet distance into this bed so that the dripping can be happen, and we'll put 2 rows of the corn either side of the drip line, maintaining around 1.5 feet distance, and this will complete our sowing. Now we are already the chili line into it, and we are going to sow the corn on this line. For that, first we'll spread the drip and then start sowing our corn seed. We are going to use a single row seeder for sowing the corn seed, and for sowing we have maintained the 1 foot distance into the seeder so that our one seed will drop every 1 feet distance. So we'll maintain 1.5 feet between the row, 1 feet between the corn, and 4 feet between the pair row of the corn. So now we will start sowing of the seed, and in further part of the video you can watch how we are sowing our seeds very easily and quickly with the seeder. So friends, now you can see that our field is completely ready. We have cultivated, move with the rotavator, and now it is a fine till. We have spread the drip line also, and this drip line at every 4 feet distance. Now you can see in the center there is a 2 line of chili, and from this center line we have put the another drip line at 4 feet for sowing the corn. Now what we'll do, we'll put the 2 line of corn either side of the drip line, and we are going to put the corn seed with the help of this seeder. Now it is very easy to put the corn with this seeder. What we'll do, we have set this machine to drop one seed at every 1 feet, and we are going to maintain 2 lines. So one line will be around 8 to 9 inch on this side, the another line will be 8 to 9 inch on that side. So around 1.5 feet distance will be between the rows, and this will drop one seed every 1 foot, means one seed is dropped and one seed is empty. So now it is we are sowing. So with every click one seed is dropping, the another is empty hole. So this is how we need to put all the seeds of the corn into the field. Now our field is moist enough so that here we have already done, and you can see the good amount of moisture, and the corn seed will germinate with the help of this moisture on its own. So we don't need to put any water as on now. We'll start watering once the corn will be around 8 to 10 days. So right now we are just completing our sowing work.